Are you tired of mundane, repetitive tasks at work? What if I told you that AI can handle those for you? Today, we'll explore how AI technology simplifies business processes and boosts productivity. Many businesses struggle with tedious tasks. These can drain energy and resources. This is where AI steps in. It takes over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on what matters. First, let's identify tasks suitable for AI. These include data entry, email sorting, and scheduling. Each of these can be automated easily through AI tools. Next, we look at implementing AI solutions. Start by analyzing your business processes. Identify repetitive tasks. Then select the right AI tool for each task. For example, you might choose AI for customer service replies. Chatbot technology can handle FAQs, saving time. This lets your team deal with complex customer interactions. AI can schedule meetings by analyzing calendars. It finds optimal times, reducing back-and-forth emails. Imagine never needing to check availability again. Remember to regularly assess your AI tools. Make sure they meet evolving business needs. This ensures streamlined operations and improved efficiency. In summary, AI can revolutionize repetitive tasks. By choosing the right tools, your business can improve productivity. Embrace AI to focus on what truly matters. Don't wait. Start integrating AI into your processes today. Discover how it can transform your work life.